Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to explain the use of master data in Jainam Software. So the master data is basically available in master setup, master data, and here we can configure the values required for specific drop down. So for example, if we are creating vehicle load and we want to set up our own values like vehicle make, model, color, then these are the values available. So similarly, we also have the values for gold, silver, the stock, and uh, product as well. All right. So let's get started how we can make a use of these values. So for let's say for vehicle make, I'm going to add one value and then I'm going to create one loan. I'm searching the customer and then click loan, and here I select a product scheme, and in product scheme here the value is available. So we can select the values from the drop down and then accordingly we can enter the data. All right. And related to the loan creation, please refer other videos. We have videos dedicated for calculation method and for loan creation and for other features as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day.